Have you ever heard of the hum? It's a low-frequency drone heard around the world, but only by about 2% of the population. No one knows what causes it. The hum is often described as a rumbling or buzzing sound, like a diesel engine idling in the distance. Some people can't sleep, suffering headaches and even nausea. Theories range from industrial equipment and underground military bases, to tinnitus. But if that's true, why does it move and change intensity? One of the most consistent hum hotspots is Taos, New Mexico. Locals have reported it for decades, and despite investigations, its origin is still unknown. But Taos also has a high concentration of paranormal activity and unexplained lights. Coincidence?